No videos.
Dad, go back to telling your story about the clock.
Okay, what? Action.
Mine? Okay. So, I want to play attack, but he won't let me. And so
I'll let you if you earn it.
So I can't earn it.
I want to play lacrosse, but I can't earn it. I want to play attack, and I want to shoot and score, but I can't earn it because I'm really like the 12th best person on the team.
Yeah, probably the 21st best.
How many people on your team?
21. You're not that good. Water girl.
Oh no, here she comes.
Yeah, you can't put the chair in, and you want to be my attack player? Alright, go on.
Alright. Or why don't you guys go outside and
Turn on.
wait
Go
till
away.
we ride?
Ow! Gracie?
You
Dude!
guys want to hang out outside? Okay.
Got your nose!
Coming on. Tell her Girls Across is coming on.
Gracie? Girls Across is coming on? Not in here. Try.
So I'll make sure.
Not in here.
I don't know.
Not in here. Where is that dang girl?